So what's the difference between a yin and a restorative yoga class? Sometimes yoga teachers use those words interchangeably, but they're not the same. In a restorative yoga class, the focus is typically on relaxation, de-stressing, turning your attention inward, and maybe focusing on your inner self, your emotional well-being, your spiritual well-being. But it's usually about relaxation, and you use props sometimes to help take the deep stretch, the tension, the intensity off of the body. In a yin class, the focus is the opposite. It's on getting a deep stretch, on getting into that connective tissue, into the fascia. And you'll use props to help you get into a comfortable position as you get that deep stretch. And you'll also use props to help apply pressure to certain parts of the body. Yin yoga is a combination of yoga and then Chinese medicine. And so one of the Chinese medicine techniques is acupressure, not puncture, no needles involved. Yin yoga, there's a philosophy of meridians. So you'll hear yoga teachers talk about meridians and sometimes the chakras. And so part of the focus of yin yoga is on unblocking those energy lines. And so sometimes the yoga teacher will create a sequence that focuses on unblocking specific meridians. And those meridian lines, they're linked to like specific organs. So we don't need to go deep dive, just know that restorative and yin yoga, while they might look similar, while you might end up feeling a deep sense of relaxation after both classes, they are very different. So just remember, restorative is relaxing. I've even heard some teachers call it an organized nap. And yin yoga, it's a deep stretch. So it can also help with flexibility if you're looking to become more flexible in your other yoga classes, your vinyasa or your hatha class. Yin yoga might actually help you get more flexible, get better mobility faster because of those longer holds and because you're getting really deep into the tissue. So don't skip your yin yoga classes. If you'd like to try a restorative class or a yin class, I teach both. But I'm sure your local studio also has classes, and there's definitely classes here on YouTube.